I want you to talk a little bit about these beautiful terracotta structures. They also had, a very practical purpose as well as being ornamental.
Yeah, they are used for bleaching vegetables, rhubarb, for example, asparagus, for example. It was much more nice to eat the bleached vegetables.
Right. So with many vegetables, if they're green, they're going to be bitter, and
Yeah,
so
correct.
by bleaching them or exfoliating the vegetable, they're able to grow without any chlorophyll, and so that's where we get the white asparagus and there, as you said, rhubarb. There are many others
Yep.
that can be exfoliated. It made them much more pleasant to eat. You wouldn't have to boil all the bitterness out.
Yeah.
And it was just a wonderful way of making those vegetables accessible.
Yeah. It was easier to cook, better, nicer to eat. Normally it would be done with earth, but here it was done by these earthenware pots to be ready to be able to bleach.